Look at a golfer as a whole, and we take a look at how their spine, their structure is functioning, how the muscles are functioning, and then I design a program to help improve that. And not only that, to help improve their function. And if that golfer is looking to improve their golf game, we might have a solution for them.
They need to come and see you.
Absolutely.
Excellent. Okay, we're going to take another break and hear a little bit more from Johnny Bench.
If you are suffering with any type of pain and are looking for a natural way to correct it without using medications or surgery, then you need to call the number at the bottom of the screen and make an appointment for a checkup. Doctors of chiropractic have special training at treating most types of pain in your body. When we come back from our break, we will talk about what kinds of pains can be caused by misaligned vertebra, and we will continue to talk about why chiropractic has become the most popular non-surgical treatment for pain in the country. We'll be right back.
So, Johnny Bench, how long have you been using chiropractic care to keep you pain-free and healthy?
Well, Grayson, it started back in the early 70s. I had a lot of back pain and a lot of problems. I wasn't able to perform up to my highest level. I even had times in the off season when I really needed someone to take care of me, and I was able to find that in Cincinnati through chiropractic care. I had the adjustments made, and it may have been every 2 weeks, it may have been every 3 months, but I certainly needed it, and I got that care. And so back in the early 70s, I was only like 23 or 24. I had hurt my back when I was working in the fields back in Oklahoma, and I never really realized what the problem was, and through chiropractic care, I was able to get the adjustments I needed, and really it helped my career. It got me through the day, and it got me through every really functioning thing that I really needed to do.
I was just going to ask you that. You already said it helped your career, right?
Oh, well, it did. I think everyone knows how important it is to be at the top of your game.
Absolutely.
And without this care, then I was down. I was actually down for a couple of weeks, not realizing the problem at one point. I finally got the care that I needed. I was adjusted, and actually back on the field that night.
If you could distill it down into one thing, what would you say your favorite thing is about chiropractic care?
Well, I think that because of all the twisting and turning I've done through the years, not only with baseball but through golf and anything that I've really done functioning, even travel, being in a plane, being in a car, that I've had a lot of things and joints that got misplaced and needed to be taken care of, needed to be adjusted, and that was the main thing. I knew immediately that my joint was out of place, and I needed that adjustment, whether it be my neck, whether it be my lower back, whether it be my hands even. I mean, the hands are very vital as well, so I needed that care, and I got it through chiropractic care.
Be the best you can be. A magnificent smile in 1 hour, and it lasts for years. Now that's value. Brightening smiles to brighten lives is the unique and only purpose of this company. Bright Smile, the professionals.
Oh, wow. Those look great.
Time to sparkle. Time for your brightest smile in just 1 hour with Bright Smile.
That's amazing.
Wow. It's painless, it's fast, it's easy.
If you're serious about your smile, you owe it to yourself to make one call to Bright Smile now and learn why Bright Smile may be the best investment you can make in yourself.
No more yellow.
It's worth it. It is the best.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, yeah. Call today for free information on how to get your brightest smile with Bright Smile.
We're proud of what we do, and we think you'll be impressed by your magnificent smile. Call Bright Smile now. We guarantee you it's worth one call before you invest even a penny in any other whitening product. We won't let you down.
Welcome back. I'm Johnny Bench. Our host is doing an interview where she is investigating why chiropractic has become so popular, and she is finding out why chiropractic is being used by thousands of professional and Olympic athletes. Let's go hear the next part of the interview now.
Doctor, our last trivia question for the show today is, can medical doctors do what doctors of chiropractic can?
Okay, that's a great question. You know, they're two different paradigms. You know, they have their paradigm and I have my paradigm, or chiropractic is our paradigm. They're taught to look at disease and illness and prescribe, medications or do surgery.
Right.
But the expertise is not the spine, where that's our expertise. And it's just like a patient coming to me and wanting me to do some surgery on their arm or do a stitch. Well, that's not my protocol. That's what their protocol is. And most docs, actually have some doctors who refer patients to me because they know that I deal with the human structure and the human frame, whereas they deal with a whole different subset And so most doctors really, from a chiropractic standpoint, are really not trained to address that, just as I'm not trained to address any kind of medical problems.
But you don't need a referral from your own physician to come and see you at all?
Absolutely not.
Yeah.
This is not. That's a misconception. A lot of patients think, oh, I need to be referred by my primary care physician.
Right.
Not necessarily. Actually, they do refer patients to me, not based on the fact that they need to be referred.
Right.
They refer because they know we can do a good job with them.
So just call the number on the screen that we've got up there and come and see you.
Absolutely.
Okay. How safe is chiropractic? Because I'm sure there's a lot of people out there watching that still say, you know, it's not for me. I don't want to try it. It seems like it's not going to work.
Right.
How safe is it?
Oh, it's very, very safe.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just use an example. You know, when we have orthopedic surgeons and other physicians that carry malpractice insurance also, we have the same amount of coverage. But if you look at the amount of cost involved for taking care of the, for paying for that coverage, we are very small. It doesn't cost a whole lot to do that. So that in itself shows that it's a very safe and relative safe, procedure. You can have a more of a chance of getting hurt in an automobile accident than you are going to have anything happen in a chiropractic office.
Yeah, I've been seeing my own chiropractor for probably over 20 years, and I know what a difference it's certainly made in my health and my life since I started getting chiropractic care. You have a daughter.
Yes.
And I'm sure you've been treating her whole life. How has that affected her health and well-being?
I can't speak enough about it.
Yeah.
She's been adjusted from the moment she was born.
Right.
She's 12 years old, healthy, functions well. She plays two sports. And then, you know what? She always bugs me a lot every week. And I'll tell you what, in a good way.
Yeah.
She says, hey, Dad, I need you to check me. Not because she's in pain. She says, I just need you to check me because I don't think I'm functioning normally.
Right.
And every time she plays a game or has any kind of activity like that, she always says, hey, Dad, check my spine. Check my spine. I want to make sure that my nervous system and my body's working the way it's supposed to.
Yeah, smart kid. And very lucky. All right, what happens to the spine if you don't take care of it? I mean, I think this is a big one because people don't understand that it's the king of your body, as you say.
Well, yes, since your nervous system is the king, and it's supported by the structure, which is your spine. God designed it that way. You put the skull here and these 24 movable vertebrae in there, and we do all sorts of different things to our spine and don't even think twice about it. But when we cause misalignments, which are usually silent for most of the times,
yes,
and it's just like tooth decay. If you don't take care of your teeth, what's going to happen to your teeth? They're going to rot away. Same thing happens with your spine. And so what can happen with that spine is that the normal spine over time will start to degenerate, and then discs will become thinner. You'll get a little more spurs and osteoarthritis that starts to develop, and pretty soon now you've got a pretty chronic problem and much difficult to try to take care of in later stages in your life as opposed to in your earlier stages of life. And not to mention, the more degeneration there is, the less function you're going to get out of your body.
I want to mention just briefly before we go, we have had your website up and running during the entire show, but it is chiroworksworthington.com. Excellent website. You have a ton of content on there and certainly patient testimonials as well.
Great.
So thank you, Dr. Singh.
Thank you.
Pleasure having you on the show.
My pleasure, too.
Thanks for watching Incredible Health. We'll see you next time.
Well, seems pretty clear that chiropractic care is so popular with professional Olympic athletes because it works. I used chiropractic care while I was playing professional baseball, and I still use it now to keep me out of pain so I can play with my children and continue to play golf at a high level. Chiropractic care is 100% natural and doesn't use any drugs or surgery. If you're sitting at home right now and you're in some kind of pain, I encourage you to call the number at the bottom of the screen to make an appointment for a complimentary consultation so you can find out if chiropractic can help you, just like it's helped me and millions of other people. Chiropractic care helped me play professional baseball for 17 years, and without it, I would have retired much sooner. If chiropractic can help me and thousands of other professional and Olympic athletes, then it can certainly help you too. If you've been told that muscle relaxers and painkillers are the only answer, then you owe it to yourself to pick up the phone and make an appointment for a complimentary consultation. Thanks for watching this edition of Incredible Health. Have a great day.